Hey everybody, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today, we're going to talk about 10 essential steps for launching a successful startup. Setting up your business can be both thrilling and challenging. Those looking to become entrepreneurs need to plan and carry out their business concepts strategically to turn them into startups. In this manual, we will discuss the 10 steps required to establish a business that not only survives but flourishes in today's competitive market. Each phase plays a role in establishing a foundation for a profitable venture, starting from evaluating the viability of your business idea to understanding industry trends, financial planning, and managing risks. Financial planning and budgeting. The key elements for a startup launch involve budgeting and financial readiness. It's crucial to assess the feasibility of your venture before diving into business operations. Predicting revenue sources, calculating expenses, and creating a budget outlining expenses and cash flow projections are all essential steps. Entrepreneurs can identify opportunities and risks, enabling them to make decisions for establishing and sustaining their business through a financial analysis. Apart from ensuring stability through adjusting strategies and setting goals, effective financial planning also entails monitoring performance indicators. Seeking advice from advisors or accountants can provide insights to develop a tailored financial plan that meets the specific needs of your startup. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. And yes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thank you for watching.